So today, you'll be learning how to use your OnePlus 13 with gloves. So if you're trying to use your phone with your gloves, but you're seeing that the screen is not as reactive as you would like it to be, or you're just having issues with the gloves and the phone being used together, then this is how you can solve it. So the first step is to actually open the Settings app, and then in Settings, you want to scroll and select Accessibility and Convenience. Then from here, you should see the option Gloves Mode. So this mode allows you to effortlessly interact with the screen while wearing gloves. So this will make it easier for you to use your phone regularly, even while you're wearing gloves. And so in order for you to enable gloves mode, just tap on the toggle like this and it will be enabled. And so now you'll be able to use gloves mode on your OnePlus 13. Bear in mind that this won't help with gameplay, so if you're playing games like Call of Duty or something similar, then gloves mode is not supported by them, so you will actually have to remove them in order for you to play games on your OnePlus 13. But that's how you can enable gloves mode so that you can use gloves with your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.